Russia's TOS-1A system carries a lot of firepower but is short range, making them very vulnerable on today's battlefield, as Ukraine's drone army works hard to eliminate Russian systems. With a Ukrainian drone spotting a Russian TOS filled with rockets, the crew didn't know the danger they are in, as the tank chassis is not near good enough protection if the ammunition detonates on top. With the TOS system stopping, the Ukrainian drone drops a single warhead, hitting the ammunition on top, creating a massive explosion, obliterating the $6.5 million TOS system, showing Russia's old tactic of firepower before precision is not working well, leaving one less TOS for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe.